The heavy rainfall and flooding are making for a dangerous morning commute.
Eyewitness News reporter Mark Cotaropolis is live in Commerce, where several cars have gotten stuck in floodwaters.
Yeah, Rachel, Leslie, good morning. The rain, it has lightened up, at least for now. So this is Atlantic Boulevard in between Washington and Bandini. The cars have since been removed from the water, but this is a low-lying area. I got to assume that the flooding usually occurs here below the railroad overcrossing above. At 5 a.m., we were standing right here with vehicles stuck in the water. Another driver came up, looked at us, looked at the water, and then hit the gas. This guy is going to go for it. That is not recommended. Oh my gosh. And I'm pretty sure he just got stuck. I honestly felt so bad for this guy, and you saw it right there. It did not take long. That vehicle sputtering to a stop, and he was going nowhere, adding his car to the casualty count here on Atlantic Boulevard. He sat in that car for a moment, then minutes later got out, got on the roof of his car, slid down onto the trunk, and then walked his way out. He actually fell at one point into the water, so he was not thrilled about that situation. That is just an example of what can happen, and he saw the vehicles that were stuck in the water, and he saw us, the news here, covering the situation, and he still decided to go right through it. That is the advice. When you encounter a situation like this in a low-lying area with active rain and flooding, drive around. Don't risk it. It is not worth it. That is what several other drivers told me as well who had their vehicles stuck. They said, yeah, we did not think that this would happen. We gave it a shot, and obviously it did not work out. So those vehicles in the last hour or so have all been towed out. No additional vehicles have gone into the water. At times, we've seen cars come up and attempt it. They think twice and they turn around. So back out live, you can see the extent of the flooding clearly. There's some sort of a drainage issue here. Still, the depth of this water here behind us, maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet at the most. But as we saw, it is enough to put those cars into a sputtering stop.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.